Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube apps keeps crashing on Android or iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or Android or your YouTube app keeps crashing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular. You have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Then you have to try it again to open up your YouTube. But if your app is still crashing, so let's see how can you easily fix that. You just have to open up your app store, or if you're on your Android, you have to open Play Store, go for search. You have to simply search for YouTube here, and then open YouTube. You have to make sure that you have any update available, or if you have any update like that, you have to try to update your app. Once you have updated your app, you can easily use without an issue. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open up your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, or you have to make sure that you have enough storage here, and then you go for software update. You have to make sure that you have a new software update available, or if you have any software update, you have to try to update your software. Then go back and go for VPN and device management. You have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN here, or if you are connected, try to disconnect, then go back, try again to open up your YouTube app. Or if you're still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you just have to open up your settings in iPhone, go for general, then go for iPhone storage, go for YouTube app, and here select offload app, then tap on offload app, and you will get the reinstall app option here. Simply tap on it and your app started reinstall. Or if you are in your Android, so now what you have to do on Android phone, you have to keep a long press on your YouTube application, and you will get the app info option here in your Android phone. Select that option and then it will open in your settings. Go for storage and cache, and from here you have to delete all storage on cache from your phone. Once you have deleted, you have to open your YouTube app again, and then your YouTube app will open without any issue. So in this way you can easily fix if your YouTube app keeps crashing on Android and iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.